y'all, welcome back to another video. So as you guys probably already saw, well, if you haven't already, go ahead and check out my last video reviewing Fenty Hair's wash day products, from the shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and the home curl, their styling cream situation. So if you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check that out. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a slick back. I'm going to be doing a slick back using Fenty Hair's Stronghold Gel, their edge control, and their edge brush. So let's go ahead and get into it. I actually washed my hair again today using Fenty Hair, the shampoo, and then I just went straight in with the instant comeback leave-in conditioner. So it can be used as a rinse out conditioner or as a regular leave-in. And for my slick backs, I pretty much just use leave-in conditioner anyway. So I was like, you know, this is a really quick wash day. I only use 2 products in the shower, and I'm only going to be using, what, 1 styler? A gel, well, 2 stylers, a gel and edge control. So honestly, my hair feels really hydrated. It does. You guys would have already heard most of my thoughts. Oh, I ain't got no clips. You guys would have heard most of my thoughts about the leave-in conditioner and most of Fenty's products in my original video, my wash day video. But hold on, let me go ahead and get some clips. I don't know. I'm out of breath. I'm also in a rush, y'all. It's 3:48. I'm supposed to be at Lexi's at 5. So, and she lives like 35 minutes from me, but I'm about to be leaving a rush hour. So yeah, if it seems like I'm rushing through this, that's why. So yeah, the leave-in conditioner, in my opinion, is very lightweight, very lightweight. I actually wish it was had a little more body to it, but in this case, since I'm only going to be doing a slick back, it actually works out that is such a lightweight product, because I feel like when you use lightweight products before you do a slick back, I feel like it makes the gel really, like, you know, give it a stronger hold, rather than like mixing with like a cream or something like that. So, oh, this is cute. It's a real cute edge brush. Very fancy, actually. Really cute. I'll have to insert some B-roll for y'all. I normally would use like a rat tail comb to part my hair, but we're gonna try this today. Ow, shit. Well, maybe I shouldn't. It's a 3-in-1 edge tool, so it's supposed to be for that, but I can tell you off rip, my hair just got caught in the little groove of the like where the chrome connects to the plastic part. Hopefully that was just like a one-off thing, but that, yeah, that's not fun. Alrighty, yeah, that's not gonna work. That is a recipe for breakage. Yeah, I'm gonna stick to my regular rat tail comb. I think this is slick enough. But yeah, I really do wish this leave-in conditioner had more body. I feel like if you have a looser curl pattern, maybe not as dense hair, it would work. You might love it, but alright, so let's get into this gel. So off rip, the consistency, I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't feel like I guess it's not super thick, if that makes sense. So I feel like it's not really, not to be pessimistic, but off rip, I wouldn't like touch this and be like, oh wow, this is gonna be a great stronghold gel. You get me? So we gonna see. We are going to see. Not gonna lie, I kind of just like melted into my hair. It didn't give that, like I said, super thick stronghold gel feeling. It literally just like melts into my strands. Low-key, I'm feeling like I could have used this for my wash and go. Now let me find out. I gotta run another Fenty wash and go. Go ahead and put this one in a ponytail real quick. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm going to be very, very shocked if this actually holds my hair for the day. Well, for the night even. So sick. And this is what I mean when I say I wish the leave-in conditioner was had more body or was just thicker, because like you can see, like my hair is just really, I feel like I have to redistribute the product in order to get my my hair juicy again. It just looks dry in some sections. Granted, this part of my hair is like the most complicated, I would say, to deal with, the front of my hair. But like my hair, yeah, I feel like I could add more product right now. Same here. It just like melts away too quickly. Okay, so this is no gel in this section. I'm just brushing it to make it a little smooth before going in with the gel. I like to smooth my hair as much as I can with the brush, usually a soft bristle brush. Because I feel like the hard bristle brushes, if you use them too much, it's gonna damage your hair. Tension damage, like kind of stretch out your curl pattern because you're constantly brushing and it's just so rough. So I like to start off with the soft bristle brush to do most of the, you know, smoothing, and then I'll go in with the hard bristle brush just for the final touches. And also, I feel like I might get like 2 uses out of this tops. This is 7 fluid ounces in this gel. So now I'm going in with the hard bristle brush. It's just too loosey-goosey. I need it to be a little thicker. But maybe once I set my hair, maybe. Yeah, I definitely could have tried this for a wash and go. 100% could have used this for a wash and go. This is not giving stronghold gel. I don't know, Riri. The fact that I'm able to just part my hair like that, as if I didn't just slick down this other side, is crazy. Okay, now we're gonna try and use this edge brush. Well, the edge control and this edge brush again. Oh, I think this is cool. So it has a little grip for your thumb. I like that. That's really unique. Give you a nice little grip there. So I'm just gonna brush my edges out a little bit. Boom. There's no edge control on my hands yet, or on my hair yet. This is just me kind of molding them. All right, now onto this edge control. She's thick. She's thick. Okay. She's thick and it's giving a little body. Love that. That's what I've been waiting for. Alright, y'all, so this is what we're looking like before setting my hair. And I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I don't see, just off of my results from now, like at this second, I don't see myself reaching for this gel again for a slick back. For a slick back, it's just, I just don't see it happening. Like I need to hurry up and rush through talking to y'all so I can go ahead and set my hair and hope for some type of hold. But this is just not, it's not slick back approved for me. Slick. My edges look great though. The edges look phenomenal. The edges are doing what they need to do. I definitely have faith in the edge control. I'm just gonna go ahead and set my hair first and then alright y'all, so this is what it's looking like. It looks really good, but my hair is still very wet and I know that if I don't keep the scarf on my hair for basically until I get to my destination, it's gonna be a mess. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, because you can already see. I'm filming. Shh. There's, I don't know if you guys can see, there's a little bit of frizzing, flyaways already starting to. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the scarf back on. I just wanted to show y'all the completed look. I'm about to be out the door. Yeah, I will come back to y'all at the end of the night, hopefully, and show you how, basically to see how it held up throughout the night. So it is now 1:21 a.m. I just made it back home. So I've been out for about 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. It's been about 9 hours since. This is what it's looking like. Honestly, it looks better than I would have anticipated. I thought I'd have way more flyaways, but I do want to add that I literally set my hair for like an hour. Every time I would take my scarf off to see like how it's looking, how it's baking, how it's setting, I'm like, if I keep this off, if I leave this scarf off right now, like it's not gonna last, but it's not gonna last long at all. Usually for a good slick back gel, it's 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops. I can slick my hair. I let it set for 20 minutes and I should be set for the rest of the day. At least for my go-to slick back gels. That's what my experience usually is. The edges held up pretty decent. They held up pretty decent. I think maybe if I paired the edge control with like one of my go-to slick back gels, I feel like I would get much better results. Like I'm used to my slick backs. Like, okay, how my hair looks right now is normally how my slick backs look on day 3. Day 2. Let's say day 2. The next morning, this is what my hair looks like. I'll give them that. Yeah, that's what this is what it's giving me. I don't know if you guys can see the flyaways and like, it just doesn't look fresh. It's not super shiny. It's not giving slick and wavy. I mean, it's giving wavy and you can see my texture, which I have no problem with. I actually enjoy that aspect of slick backs, like seeing the curls, seeing the waves, but it's just too much frizz, not enough shine. It's just not slick to my standard, at least. But some people might like their slick backs to look like this. You know, I guess it all just boils down to preference. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. I do not see myself using this gel again for a slick back. I might try for a wash and go just because, like, why not? I still have a decent amount left. I feel like I probably just have enough gel left for quite literally for just a wash and go, baby. I don't know, but like I said, don't see myself using this again for another slick back when I already have tried and true slick back gels. Well, I have one gel that I use as like my go-to. The edge control, I definitely see myself playing with this again for sure. Like, I have faith in this. Yeah, y'all, I'm ready to hop in the mother freaking bed. I'm exhausted. I got tomato sauce. I got freaking, I don't even know what this is. Maybe chamoy, I think I got on my damn shirt. Ready to undo this corset. I'm out of breath. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is this to your standard of slick back gels? Will you be trying any of Fenty's hair products? Y'all let me know in the comments. But thank you so much for tuning into this video. I will see y'all in my next one.